Welcome AM Central. I'm Mateo.
I'm Johnny.
And that's Ariana. And we got Cam on the secondary camera. And this is the See No Evil, Hear No Evil, Speak No Evil baking challenge. Today we're going to be making Betty's Crocker milk chocolate brownies, all while not being able to kind of communicate with each other.
I mean, I can't see. I can talk to you guys.
No, yeah, and Ariana can't hear, and I won't be able to speak after I put this on. So, yeah. Now, challenge begins.
You know, I don't know how to bake a cake. Just place stuff into my hands. An egg, I'll understand to crack it. What are we grabbing?
You need 2 eggs.
I need 2 eggs. Okay, I'm pretty sure he's...
I'm gonna crack the egg.
Are you making... Is this the batter, the mix?
Hold on, wait. You need a oil.
I'm gonna crack the egg.
I have the eggs here.
Alright, give me the egg. What am I pouring this?
1 egg. 1. Give me the box.
I'll crack the egg.
You need to.
Egg?
Huh?
You're in the water. Get off the water.
Me?
No, not you. Oh my God.
Can I crack the eggs?
I'll crack. I crack. I crack.
No. Here, you crack 1.
Do I put it in now? Pause.
This song is very. This was Cam's idea, huh?
Where are we placing the trash?
What's that? Let me attack this.
Shit. Okay. Can't swim this.
Wait, no, it's not in there.
What am I doing now? What's this?
Open it.
Open it?
I can't hear you.
Screw it. I got nails. There you go. Got it.
Ooh, I want to mix it, guys.
What are we doing with this now?
Pour it.
Pour it.
Betty, when I put your bag in. Ooh, these are so nice. I'm gonna buy me some.
Dude, that's something in there, okay?
I know you.
I'm just gonna stand here ready. What's going on? Oh, I'm stirring? Where's it at?
Stir it.
What?
What temperature?
I'm gonna just list the number. I'm gonna list the number. You just make a random noise. That's the number. 1, 2,
Mateo.
3.
How do I work this?
This is one flimsy whatever I'm using here to stir this.
Turn it. Back.
I hope it's looking good. What?
We forgot the water.
So somebody get some water then. I'll keep stirring this. Somebody get some water.
I'm gonna go fill this up.
Okay. You got it? Better than
Okay. I'm back.
Alright. I'm assuming just pour. Wouldn't milk have worked better? We should
I can't hear you.
Wouldn't milk have worked better? We shouldn't
Let
have
me
used
see
this.
this.
No, stop.
Hold on. 350. No, they. Huh? That's not bad.
I can't see what I'm doing.
What about it? It's on?
Mm-hmm.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Can I pour it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Stop. Okay. Just guide me. Am I putting my
Are you
hands?
talking?
Am I putting my hands? in-
Pour it.
Pour it. Where? Okay.
Pour it. Oh my god.
Scoop it out. I'll just keep it holding there.
Yeah.
Feel it getting later. I'm assuming it's all out.
It's spilling. I'm just playing.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Push.
That's it for now.
Dang, what you do? Lick the bowl?
Yeah, I'm gonna go back. You know, when we cut this cake, you should get the blind guy the knife.
Huh?
When we cut, I'm not gonna waste my time talking to you.
Put it in? Baby, when I snatch. 25? What? 25 what? Minutes? Am I loud?
Yes. Just guide my hands wherever you need me to go. Okay. You need me to make a fist.
Can you go back
okay.
to the
Thumbs
app?
up.
Woo!
Oh, okay.
Clean our hands? Help me out, John.
I can't see. She can't hear
We're
us.
done.
Oh.
Ah, we're done. We wait. Now we wait. Yeah.
We're done?
Well, that's what I was trying to say. Ow, my mouth hurts.
You were saying something.
We are done. That's what I was.
How'd I do with the egg cracking? Did we get any eggshells in there? Or we...
Why didn't check?
Yeah, me neither.
It's nutritious.
So now we wait. We put it in for 25 minutes.
I think we should bake the cake too.
We
We don't
are
have any
baking.
eggs. It seems pretty baked through, I guess, as much as we can. So now we're gonna wait like 20 minutes for it to cool down, and then taste test time. Okay, we're rolling. So it's been like 20 minutes. They're pretty much, I took them out of the pan before I started recording, but it's a face only a mother could love. And so I guess now we're gonna,
I hate it.
now we're gonna try it. Johnny did a wonderful job cutting this pizza.
Why you cut like
Because that's what it looks like.
Mm.
Ariana, do you want to go first? How beautiful. Here, come on, take a plate. There you go. Cam, do you want a slice?
Of course.
Okay, cool. Cam was doing our close-up shots earlier, and his ass is still in the studio. Johnny, get a plate.
Cutting it fine.
Yeah.
Seriously.
You ever tried it?
No, go ahead.
Oh,
Cheers.
wait. Ah!
Cheers.
That'll be my piece.
Cheers.
Wait till we all had it. You guys are fake.
This has weight for them. This has some weight to it.
It does.
This is
Okay,
thick.
cool.
Alright.
this is heavy. This is a chunk.
Yeah.
Cheers.
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 Cheers. It's not. It's not bad, but it's just really good.
It's really watery.
It's really hot.
I'm really hot.
I mean, it's aight. for being blindfolded, deaf, and mute, I think we did pretty good.
Yeah.
Cam, how'd you rate them?
I'll give it like a 7.5 out of 10.
Ooh, that's fire.
Not bad. I'm impressed you made that.
Thanks. Thank you guys for coming to the See No Evil, Speak No Evil, Hear No Evil challenge. That's a mouthful.
Mhm.
There's gotta be a different title for this. But yeah, thanks for coming along. Bye everyone.